Friends, welcome to the Teach and Tech. In this video, I teach how to create a profile for Instagram. Please watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Let's go for create a profile for Instagram. Step 1. Open Play Store and Google Play. Search profile picture border and download profile picture border. After download, open the app. After open, 1 minute for download the theme. These are download themes. For example, select one theme. For example, click one theme and add image. Add image, camera, and gallery. Gallery. Select one picture and click the tick. Very easy. My profile is created. It's beautiful and click save. Save it successfully. Okay, go home and my creative, my project. This is my profile account. This is my profile. This is my profile. I created this profile. Very easy. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Take on Tech.